Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to enter Android Auto via wire. In the beginning, let's connect this wire to USB port in your tab. And now connect it to the smartphone. Now continue, and it's basically it. Thanks to Android Auto, you can enter calendar, Discord, and many more apps installed on your smartphone. You can also use Spotify, Maps, and you can make phone calls. To close Android Auto, go to Menu, Apps, and select Exit. And that's basically it. If you want to enter it back, select Android Auto again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.